Space mushrooms, those nodules found on Mars. The story's being corrected. Well, the people that should hear the correction and understand the correction, well, that's space mushrooms. So, oddly, what those do appear a lot like are nodules on the ocean floor that contain rare earth elements. That's what those little rocks, those little nodules on the planet, on the surface of Mars look like. Because if we could get there, there's things to be built. And let's face it, we aren't shipping it there. So, space mushrooms. The stories that led up to thinking we would find life on Mars after some years of studying it are precious, are interesting, are fun, and yet mostly fiction. So, space mushrooms would have been neat. Wonder if they would have tasted any good. Minerals. Minerals we need to survive, to live, to thrive, to explore the galaxies and the planets. And how money moves through our economy.